Cleopatra Group. When excellence becomes the only choice, when innovation becomes a lifestyle, when minds focus on one target and hearts adore one beloved, when the future becomes present in our insight and the impossible lends itself in our faith, when all anticipate a hero, an idea lurks in the horizon. The debut of the idea was initiated by Mr. Mohammed Abu Al-Ainin in 1980, when the first ceramic factory was built in the 10th of Ramadan city, and an avalanche of breakthrough. Since then ensued Galleria Factory, the most recent member of the group that adopts the most advanced technology worldwide and modern production lines. The same applies to Cleopatra, Fancy, and Eldorado ceramic factories, with an assortment of more than 1 million designs inspired by the supreme Italian works. Galleria Cleopatra Factory is the latest member of Ceramica Cleopatra family. The factory is located on an area of 1.5 million square meters. The factory uses the latest technology in most stages of production. Galleria Cleopatra has one of the longest and the most complex lines of ceramics refining in the world. Burning furnace has advanced features to ensure low environmental emissions during production. The factory has 18 lines operating 24 hours a day to meet the requirements of Cleopatra's customers in the areas of construction, tourism, industry and trade. Designed and decorated first-class ceramic tiles, Ceramica Cleopatra Factory. It is the first step in the way of success, where it was the first and the largest factory of its kind in ceramics production in Egypt. Ceramica Cleopatra offers a wide variety of tastes and shapes. Products include more than 1 million designs inspired from the Italian works in 55 different sizes. Ceramica Fancy Factory. It is located in Eldorado Industrial Complex. It has 8 production lines specialized in the production of decoration ceramic. Ceramica Fancy produces more than 8 million square meters of floor tiles and 5 million square meters of porcelain tiles annually. Ceramica Fancy is interested in the latest designs and shapes that satisfy a wide range of international tastes. Ceramica Eldorado. It is the largest factories complex in Egypt, as it extends for more than 1 million square meters in the desert of Suez region. Eldorado was opened in 1999. It uses the fast double incineration technology for the first time to ensure a high privilege finishing. Laser technology is also used in each stage of design and production process. The factory now produces about 35,000 square meters of tiles per day. Cleopatra Group produces the best kinds of ceramics in Egypt and the world. Its products gain the confidence of the consumers in more than 100 countries around the world. Such gigantic industrial edifices rest on the shoulders of 20,000 engineers and workers endowed with the highest levels of ceramic industry skills and expertise. Since our ambition is legitimate, we take part in the largest world ceramic fairs and reap at several prizes in design professionalism and distinguished quality. Another significant tribute to our industry is information technology. In 1997, we erected the first factory for smart cards, Cleopatra Silicon Valley. It offers a full range of products that are necessary for the successful management of our clients' smart card needs. Silicon Valley is one of the manufacturing plants of Cleopatra Company. It is considered to be one of the leading and the largest plants of smart card manufacturing. We then worked our eyes in search for fresh investment opportunities in Egypt and finally reached far to the most remote spot in the southwest of Egypt, Sharq al-Awaynat, where Cleopatra for Agriculture Development managed to render that barren desert into the largest agro and livestock production farm throughout Egypt, seeking the bridge of the food gap and achieve self-sufficiency of several crops in Egypt, such as wheat, barley and corn. Wheat fields stretch inside in east of Awaynat. Barley farms in East Awaynat turn the desert into a paradise. Farmers are harvesting wheat in the early morning for the whole good of Egypt. Then new areas of land are being processed for cultivation. Cleopatra for Agriculture Development also extended in the establishment of ostrich farms in east of Awaynat, in addition to the largest farms for sheep breeding. Cleopatra Group has a large number of agriculture projects in all parts of Egypt. Poultry farms, fish farms in Sahl al-Tina, Wadi al-Mullak farms in Bahira, Geneva Farm in Ismailia Road, Nobareya Farms. All these farms contribute to bridge the food gap in Egypt. Then, recognizing the importance of tourism being the driver of national economy, Cleopatra Group has developed several tourist projects in Sharm el-Sheikh and Hurghada, such as Cleopatra Resort in Sharm el-Sheikh. The hotel is located on Amusid Hill, only 10 kilometers away from Sharm el-Sheikh Airport. It includes hotel equipment at the highest level of service to tourists visiting Egypt. Emphatically yes, it has been just an idea that emerged 25 years ago, and thanks to the amazing vision and unbendable determination that Cleopatra Group has become a brand of excellence.